Tesla stock update. Today we are positive 2.8% after yesterday's big flush down, $900 levels and 200-day moving average. This red line on my chart, that's where it's sitting. And also 50-day moving average is right here at 738. This is the resistance I'm watching. This is the support I'm watching. And also, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Here are a few levels to watch from here. So basically, I will be watching from here, this 50-day moving average, this red line, not this one. Let me remove this, maybe change this. It's a trend line that I'm watching. All right, so this red line right here, I don't know if you can see it. This is the moving average, 200-day uptrending, 50-day yellow line still uptrending. But I was watching on a daily this 975-ish as a support. We slipped pretty sharply and sold off pretty sharply as well. So, and we talked about this many times. At least I have shown this chart 3-4 times before this drop, basically. So here's what I want to show once again. So we covered that every time, in any time like Tesla runs in 2 weeks, more than 35%, 78% rally, 84% rally, 36% rally, 35% rally. What Tesla does usually consolidates or drops, consolidates or drops, consolidates or drops. After that, it doesn't usually go more than 2-3 weeks. Same right here. 3 weeks of rally, sharp drop. 3 weeks of rally, these gray zones, oval shapes that I marked, drop. 3 weeks of sharp rally, drop. So now you know that the stock still at these levels is in a downtrend. We are watching this trend line upside to the upside as a resistance trend line and also as a support trend line. I will show you maybe on a monthly chart because this is gonna look a little bit better. So if you look at the monthly chart from the pandemic lows of $100, 70 something, this trend line was a support trend line to the upside. We're still sitting at this support trend line until Tesla closes below these 880-ish levels for this month, and then if May starts rolling over, coming down towards 800, that's not a good sign. Because if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see this whole March rally on a monthly chart. These candles represent 1 month of price action. March, huge move. April, wiping out almost 90% of that gain. So, and that's why we still have like 3, including today, 3 more days. It depends where it's going to close. So if it tries to go back above 50-day moving average, 930-ish levels, and closes there, I mean, it's still good. I mean, it's still, it will be still in an uptrend. But if it does close at these levels, it's not looking good going into May, because a lot of people in May, as you guys have heard, maybe sell in May and go away. I mean, it's gonna be rough. It's already very volatile market, but in May, because earnings will be officially done, Tesla reported earnings, and a lot of people after the earnings got sucked in, because usually big boys who have done their homework well before, they have got into the stock well before, they wait for the earnings, any strong earnings, they sell, they take out that liquidity, they need that liquidity to sell their position, and they wait for that day for retail to come and buy the news, and these guys sell the news, and they pretty much, ever since they reported the earnings, they gapped the stock and they have been selling off. Basically, how much of a drop? It's like pretty sharp drop. Like yesterday alone was 10+%. So 15% drop, and I think it can chop around here for some time before maybe slipping lower or trying to go higher. And if it does go higher, 50-day, just like I said, resistance, and then this support of a 975, and then $1,000. So that's $1,000 is pretty much the $1 trillion market cap. That's a resistance once again. So that's what I'm watching for Tesla. I don't want to look at the option activity. That's the video. See you in the next one.